Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update and the crypto market. Before we continue, the third tier everyday trading scalping strategy has a free trial, 7 days free trial on Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Bitcoin, we might have gotten a little bit a correction coming in. You can see that in the previous day we had a -5%, but trust me on that, Bitcoin is not bearish yet. The only thing actually I'm worried about, it is the 26.3k. Now, we managed to lose it in the daily frame, but on the other hand, bullish cross in the weekly frame, a support level which we haven't closed below yet, and of course, Bitcoin is bullish in the higher time frames. The only thing that we need to be careful about right now is the short term. Right here you can see that despite the fact that we had a little bit of a correction coming in, and you see that into the 1 hour frame we had a correction going on, then a huge pump, and again a huge pump as well. The only thing right now we need to be careful about is the lower time frames. We need to make sure that right here, for example, you can see it was the first resistance level because it was the low back here, and the most important thing to do right now, it is that we need to close above the 26.3k again. So what Bitcoin needs to do right now, it is that we need to close above the 26.3k. Now, if we do that in the daily frame, or in the 4 hour frame even, it would be even better if it was in the lower and the higher time frames. Daily frame is a midterm, okay? Daily frame and the 4 hour frame, we need to close above the 26.3k. If we do that, then we can move forward to the next targets that we have for Bitcoin. 30,000 Tether USD, 27.7, 28,000, and finally the 32,000 to 33,000 that we were talking about for so long, right? Is Bitcoin going to go there? Yes, it is. However, the case right now is that we have some news that do not help us so much, like Binance, okay? So right now, this is why we correct right here, but I think that we are going to recover and Bitcoin is going to get past above the 26.3k. Now, the case is whenever we close above the 26.3k, it is a reaccumulation phase. You can see that on the weekly scale, we haven't lost the major support levels yet, and Bitcoin could be on the verge to go higher even on this week. I repeat that the monthly frame rate here might seem red for now, but it is way possible that we can go higher. Now, a bearish thing would be if Bitcoin goes sideways right here and the 200-day moving average is reaching the 23.7k, and therefore Bitcoin won't be able to go right now further higher. Instead, it moves further down until it meets again the 200-day moving average, and finally it can move higher. I think that it is a possible scenario, not though possible for the time being. Okay, for the time being, it looks like we are fine. We just need to close above the 26.3k. If we, by any chance, if we go below the 25.3k again, then things are going to turn bad into the lower time frames, which means that 23.8k, sorry, is possible. Okay, so you have to be extremely careful. Other than that, crypto market in the higher time frames, it is still bullish cross on the 20-day MA, 50-day MA. I really believe that this bullish cross will bring huge uptrend to the market, and I think that Bitcoin is ready to face the next bull cycle. We just need a little bit more right now. We just need to consolidate into the weekly chart. We will be moving higher until we meet the 70s. Do not worry about that. We will be doing that. We are not going to drop to below 30s again. What Bitcoin is going to do, it is simply going to move towards the above 70s, not below the 30s again, and it is going to signal the next bull cycle. Actually, we already have the next bull cycle. We just need a little bit more correction, and then we can proceed to pump more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and the free trial on the everyday trading scalping strategy on Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.